So today's the day. Today is the day. I announced 2 vlogs ago that we are going to be doing something great in today's video, and that is today's video of messing around at IKEA volume 2. I got charged this battery already. I just started filming too. I got charged it already. The one's here.
Hey, what's up, bro? Currently at Matthew's house, watching his vlogs. If you haven't, you better motherfucking watch it right now.
Look.
Hey, we are at fucking IKEA part 2.
About to do shenanigans at IKEA.
Big old shenanigans.
Good hand quality washing. Here, baby, I got you a loaf of bread.
With a pencil. Alright, guys.
Whisk me up some eggs in the kitchen.
Currently, I think this is like. I got this intro. Is it filming?
Yeah. I'm holding like this.
Alright. If you guys didn't know, Matthew just came. We're at my crib.
I came.
We're in the kitchen right now. Moved in. You know, have little brothers, sisters. So.
Got some good drugs. Did you draw it yourself?
No, I said I have a little brother. Some food. Some good food. I don't know. They glue stuff together.
Sweetie. Feels nice.
Good morning, Tom. So how are you guys?
Not bad. How are you?
Ready to start the day with some morning stretches?
Bathtub.
Really did.
Bathtub. Yo, get his loofah back. Loofah's back, bro.
Now he's fresh and clean thanks to IKEA.
Bing
It's
bing
not a
pie, man.
sponsorship, but- Hey, time to open up presents, guys.
Wash your hands after you just shit yourself, bro.
Sorry, dude.
Water's on hot.
The fry pits.
Oh, careful. Please do not leave your child unattended. I would want to climb this so bad and lay in it. And then just wake up like I'm dead.
Lights.
Here, I got you some baby clothes. Some panties.
Let's call it Meredith.
Meredith. I haven't seen you in so long, baby.
Hey, Meredith.
Hey.
New gaming setup. Pretty sick, Jared. Kitchen land right now.
Yeah. It's pretty awesome.
This kitchen. What is this? The green cabinets.
Who explanation?
Yo, who's doing this? Can't have any of that. No sirree. Get in there. Fuck out of here, Panda Bear.
Fuck you.
Alright, so the audio might not be as good because I took off the microphone, so it's easier for me to film. That's why I wish I had a point and shoot because the lens doesn't come off. But they're hiding right now. We're playing hide and seek. Here we go. Damn, that would make a good hiding spot.
Jingle bell time, it's the swell time. Riding in a one-horse sleigh.
So far, no one. Where these guys can be. Devon. Devon.
Tell me this isn't
Pretty good spot. Jared's last. Jared. Oh, Christmas land. Look at this.
You got me.
Sorry, dude. Dude, what? What area did I say are in here as well? Bro, where is he?
He probably keep moving.
There he is. There he is. Alright, so since you were found first, you have to count and we have to hide again.
Alright.
Ready?
What you seeing?
Alright, so I have my hiding spot. I'm just hiding behind a bed, pretending like I'm tying my shoe over and over again. I don't see him. Oh, fuck, he found me. In the coffin. Fruit! Peaches! Raspberries? Raspberries! Strawberries?
I wonder who.
Safari!
Hey, Richard.
Yo, Safari!
Safari, dude.
Richard! Tesla's right there. I don't know what you're talking about. Last one to the car is a pussy!